Hi guys, and welcome to the next video for the free training and the free downloads. Now remember, if you've already opted in on the previous day's free downloads, you don't need to opt in again. You'll automatically get this free download sent to you plus the training as well. So don't opt in again, otherwise you're going to get kind of double emails. So if you haven't already opted in, opt in down here, claim your first free download. If you're watching this page, your second one will automatically come, and then the third one will come on the 9th of August. Okay? So today's free download is the SalesPage Writer. So again, it's another simple app, has full user kind of admin area all built in, so you can connect it up to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, whichever you want. Previous training we did Warrior Plus. Today I'm going to do JVZoo. Okay, so you can choose whichever one you want. You can do both as well, that's not a problem. Let me quickly show you the SalesPage Writer. So this is the SalesPage Writer. So offer details, product or service name. So let's go, we'll go with bonus page builder. Who's this for? It's for affiliate marketers. What problem does it solve? It helps affiliate marketers build better affiliate campaigns. Okay, key benefits: bonus library, bonus pages, price offer. Let's say it's 97. Call to action: get your access here. Type of page, we'll go with sales page. We've got landing, squeeze, webinar and product launch page. Writing tone, we'll go with inspirational and motivating. Can add anything else here as well. Then just click write my page. So at the moment it's writing the page. Now this again is an app that you could sell $5, $7, something like that. You see, then it's gone. It's got everything you need there. And what you can do is, you can copy that, you can save it, or you can clear it. Okay, again, just a very, very simple app, brand new, never been out. Now remember, on the next day's training, not tomorrow, but on the 9th, I'm going to show you what you can do with these apps to kind of maximize, the returns, or any of my white label apps. Now, let's get over to setting up this on JVZoo. So this is the admin area again. We talked about Warrior Plus yesterday. Today we're going to talk about JVZoo. So let's go over to JVZoo. Let's create, add a product. We'll go to Seller's Dashboard. We're going to add product here. So we'll select that. Product name. So SalesPage Writer. Internal name, we'll just put SalesPage Writer. It's a software product. Sales page URL, again, we haven't got that set yet, because obviously you need to create your sales page. You could use a SalesPage Writer to do that. So we'll just put in inspiredsoft.com, but that needs to be your sales page. Then description. So this helps marketers create better sales pages. Category, let's have a look down here. What's software related? Software, we'll go with website design. Available to be purchased. Now you don't want to tick that until it's actually been approved and everything. Release date, let's say we're releasing this on the 31st of August at 11 AM. Okay, you can use a pre-release page if you want. So that's where you'd collect opt-ins until this went live. Okay, so then save and go to next step. Then I'm going to use PayPal, Stripe, max payment reference. So we'll just put in here sales page. Then save and go to next step. Okay, so go with single payment on this. We'll go with $5. Okay, trial period none, and then we'll click save and go to next step. So I like to go with a 30-day refund period. It's up to you guys what you want to use. Then again, just save and go to next step. Now, if you want to approve affiliates for this, you can do, or you can select no affiliates allowed. Not many affiliates going to promote a $5 product, to be honest, unless you had a very, very big funnel behind it. Save draft and go to next step. So your support link, I'll just put my email in there, inspiredsoft@icloud.com. Now, this is product access. So this is where this section here comes in. So we go here, collect this, oops, not this, sorry, this one, copy that, go back over here, and we go with thank you page, paste that there, and we'll tick send customers to thank you page, okay, then we'll click save, draft, and go to next step. Choose a checkout template. You know, we've got some nice new templates in JVZoo as well. I'll go with this one. I'll just select that one. Everything else you can leave. Save draft and go to next step. So login details. Now with this, what you want to do is on your white label app, we'll just log out here so you can see this. Just go to your register page, create a access point for JVZoo compliance. So, you know, if you've installed this on one of your domains, just create an email on that domain, create an access point for JVZoo, come back over here, paste that in there with the login URL, then that gives them access to be able to, you know, check out the product. Now here, this is a new section from JVZoo. This is the VSL verification. So if you're having a VSL, which is a video sales, let's say you need to put the text transcript as well there. As I said, it's quite a new thing there, so you need to put that in there. If you don't have to put anything or tick that box. Tick you have the right to sell. If you've got any claims on there, make sure that you can, you know, prove those claims. If you've got any customer testimonials, make sure you can prove those as well. Same with the countdown timer, make sure it's a proper countdown timer. So if you're using a countdown timer, it's going to something, make sure that it does do that. Disclaimers as well. Then what you need to do, copy this disclaimer from JVZoo and paste that at the bottom of your sales page. So just copy there, paste it at the bottom of your sales page. Then click save draft and go to next step. Then what we need to do is go here to see where it says JVZoo IPN version 1, version 2. Just click there. Right, okay, so just make sure that drop down is there. Then we go back over here and we get the JVZoo IPN. Oops, I ain't copied that. So copy that. Not copying properly. So we'll copy that. Go back over to JVZoo, paste that in there. Okay. Then click save draft and go to next step. Okay, add in any order bumps you want. Save draft and go to next step. Then once you've got your compliance in there, what I said, create an account for JVZoo. Once you've got your sales page in, all you need to do is make sure that you've got this disclaimer in. Once you've got that, just hit submit. Compliance will look at it. They'll say, yeah, it's good to go. Get your buy buttons, put them onto your sales page. Now what will happen then is whenever you make a sale, the username and password will automatically be sent out to your purchaser, and you will also pick up their email as long as you've set the email in the AI integrations. Okay. So make sure that you watch out for the next free download, 9th of August, that's coming. I'm going to again talk about how to maximize sales on these white label integrations. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.